Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpan here, and welcome to another video. This is going to be a video of a quick HO scale rolling stock update. As you can see, I'm actually in a different setting. I'm actually just filming somewhere where it's quiet because I'm actually not at home. I'm not in the layout because I'm actually in a summer home in Florida. So, because I'm on my family vacation in Florida. So, anyways, I just want to give you guys a little bit of a quick video. So I actually have some new rolling stock I'd like to share with you guys. So, and also some other things. So, first off, what I have in this bag, because if you're wondering where I went to buy these new rolling stock, I went to a model train store called Zetneck Trains, which is a very cool hobby store, which is located between Tampa and Clearwater, I'm actually really impressed with what they have, and I actually found some pretty cool stuff. So first off, I actually have some magazines, which are really cool. They're actually free, so I just got a couple of them to show you guys, Trains Illustrated. And then here's another one. Classic Toy Trains, and there's also one from Lino, which focuses on O scale, even though I don't really model O scale, so just got a couple of those. Now we're gonna move on to the new rolling stock I have. So the first stop I have is this one right here. So this is a Walters Train Line CSX boxcar. So it's an insulated boxcar, pretty good price, $17.99. It looks really modern. So there's one I have. Next one I have is this one. This is actually a pretty rare freight car. This is a Walters Gold Line tank car. So I'm pretty sure right here it's a 16,000 gallon final flow tank car. So this is a Procore white. This is a really cool find. It's pretty rare. And next up is this one right here. This appears to be an Athearn blue box kit that looks fully assembled. So it's wrapped in plastic. This is a Southern boxcar. This is actually probably my favorite find I found at the train store. So very cool, and it's a very good price, $13 for that. We're fully assembled. It's really cool. And then I have one more rolling stock I'd like to share with you guys, which is in this bag. This one right here. This is I don't know who makes this covered hopper, but it's basically came with I believe plastic or metal, I'm not sure, but it comes with KDs on them. It's really cool. This is a Norfolk and Western covered hopper. Very nice, because I'm not sure who made this, because there's no telling when, because it's just on a cardboard and then there's plastic on it, so it's really cool. $10 for that. Very cool deal. I'm not sure, so it could likely be maybe an Air Mountain kit or Athearn kit or maybe a Roundhouse kit. So I'm not too sure from that. So anyways, that's all the new rolling stock I have. I also have a new magazine. And also, there's something else in this bag I want to show you guys that is train related, but let me show you. There it is, right? I got a new t-shirt as well. They also sell t-shirts, so I was lucky to pick up this one. This is a really cool shirt. I mean, this is Norfolk Southern 4000, which is one of the Sonic bonnet units. Like, there's 4000, and then you can see 4000. I believe 4001 is in the back, behind 4000. It's really cool. Really cool shirt. I'll give you guys a closer look at that. It looks really cool. I had to get this shirt because I really admire the Sonic bonnets, and plus I actually seen the 4001 in person last year back in October, which was a really cool sight. So yeah, so basically that's all I want to share with you guys. Just a little quick update, because even though I'm not in the layout, I probably won't be back home probably in the next few days, because I'm still trying to enjoy my family vacation in Florida. So yeah, well, that's basically just a quick update and to show you guys what's been going on lately. So just to show you guys the new shirt and also the new rolling stock. So yeah, so anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.